Welcome to English Aura. Listen carefully, repeat aloud, and improve your English every day. Let's begin. 1. What's your name? What's your name? My name is Emma. My name is Emma. 2. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Canada. I'm from Canada. 3. How old are you? How old are you? I'm 25 years old. I'm 25 years old. 4. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in Toronto. I live in Toronto. 5. What do you do? What do you do? I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. 6. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza. 7. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. 8. What's your hobby? What's your hobby? My hobby is reading books. My hobby is reading books. 9. What's your favorite sport? What's your favorite sport? My favorite sport is tennis. My favorite sport is tennis. 10. What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie? My favorite movie is Finding Nemo. My favorite movie is Finding Nemo. Excellent work! Repeat these conversations every day to improve your speaking and pronunciation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join English Aura. See you in part 2. Welcome back to English Aura. Listen, repeat, and speak with confidence. Let's continue. 11. How are you? How are you? I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. 12. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. 13. Are you busy? Are you busy? No, I'm free. No, I'm free. 14. Can you help me? Can you help me? Sure, no problem. Sure, no problem. 15. Do you like music? Do you like music? Yes, I love it. Yes, I love it. 16. Can you drive? Can you drive? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. 17. Do you have a phone? Do you have a phone? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. 18. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, let's go. Yes, let's go. 19. Can I sit here? Can I sit here? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. 20. Do you understand? Do you understand? Yes, I do. Excellent work. Practice these conversations every day to improve your speaking and pronunciation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join English Aura. See you in part 3. Welcome back to English Aura. Listen, repeat, and speak English with confidence. Let's continue. 21. Can I call you later? Can I call you later? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. 22. How was your day? How was your day? It was great. It was great. 23. Do you work? Do you work? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. 24. Do you study English? Do you study English? Yes, every day. Yes, every day. 25. Can you swim? Can you swim? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. 26. Do you like coffee? Do you like coffee? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. 27. Do you have brothers or sisters? Do you have brothers or sisters? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. 28. Do you watch movies? Do you watch movies? Yes, often. Yes, often. 29. Do you play sports? Do you play sports? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. 30. Are you tired? Are you tired? A little. A little. Excellent work. Practice these conversations every day to improve your speaking and pronunciation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join English Aura. See you in part 4. Welcome back to English Aura. Listen, repeat, and speak English with confidence. Let's keep going. 31. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? It's sunny. It's sunny. 32. Do you exercise? Do you exercise? Yes, every day. Yes, every day. 33. Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? Sure. Sure. 34. What do you think? What do you think? It's a good idea. It's a good idea. 35. Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. 36. Do you like traveling? Do you like traveling? Yes, very much. Yes, very much. 37. Are you free tomorrow? Are you free tomorrow? I think so. I think so. 38. Can you speak slowly? Can you speak slowly? Sure, no problem. Sure, no problem. 40. What did you eat today? What did you eat today? I ate pasta. I ate pasta. 41. Do you like reading? Do you like reading? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Amazing job! Practice these conversations every day to improve your English naturally. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join English Aura. See you in part 5. Welcome to the final part of our English speaking practice series. Listen, repeat, and speak with confidence. Let's finish strong. 41. Can you sing? Can you sing? A little. A little. 42. Do you use social media? Do you use social media? Yes, every day. Yes, every day. 43. What's your dream job? What's your dream job? My dream job is a pilot. My dream job is a pilot. 44. Do you like animals? Do you like animals? Yes, I love them. Yes, I love them. 45. Can you cook? Can you cook? Yes, a little. Yes, a little. 46. Who's your favorite singer? Who's your favorite singer? My favorite singer is Adele. My favorite singer is Adele. 47. What's your favorite country? What's your favorite country? My favorite country is Japan. My favorite country is Japan. 48. Will you come tomorrow? Will you come tomorrow? Yes, I will. Yes, I will. Good luck. Good luck. Thank you. Thank you. Have a great day. You too. You too. Congratulations! You have completed all 50 beginner English conversations. Practice these dialogues every day to improve your speaking, listening, and pronunciation. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. Thanks for learning with English Aura. See you in the next lesson.